Thank you for joining us for our annual Title I parent meeting. First, let's learn a little bit about Title I. Title I is the largest federal assistance program for our nation's school. Title I helps to provide supplemental resources and services for schools with areas of high poverty. Ultimately, Title I helps schools and families support their students. How does the flow of the money work? The federal government provides funds to states each year for Title I based on the U.S. Census poverty data. Then state agencies like the Florida Department of Education send money to local school districts. Polk County Public Schools identifies eligible schools and distributes the funds. Every year, Willow Oak School receives Title I funds. This year, 96% of our Title I funds are spent on full-time personnel to help our students. These are our paraprofessionals, one of our school counselors, our reading coach, and our mathematics coach. The remaining 4% is spent on supplies and resources for the classroom to help support students. We also receive an annual allocation for parent and family engagement. We spend those funds exclusively on agendas and parent and family nights. Title I requirements ask us to make sure parents fully understand the curriculum and assessment information for their children. In the state of Florida, kindergarten through 5th grade students utilize the best standards for English language arts, mathematics, and science and social studies. Your child is then assessed on these benchmarks that teachers teach 3 times a year through our progress monitoring. The reports for your child's proficiency levels will be available on the parent portal within 30 days after their assessment. And of course, your teachers can always share those pieces of information with you through parent conferences, Class Dojo, and again, through the parent portal, you can access those reports on your child in real time. Title I also has us create parent and family engagement plans every year. So this meeting tonight is part of that plan. We will also host workshops throughout the school year and ask parents to be involved when it comes time to plan and review and make recommendations for ways that we can improve as a school. We did that last spring, and we are thankful for our parents that provided us with that feedback. And we hope when that happens again in the coming spring of 2023 that you will join us in helping us find ways that we can continue to help Willow Oak School grow and improve. Another requirement of Title I is that we provide information to parents in a language that they can understand. So that's why you may see many of our forms coming home in English and Spanish, and sometimes even in Haitian Creole. Here is a picture of our school compact. It is also available in your student's agenda, both in English and Spanish, and it highlights some of our staff responsibilities for curriculum, monitoring of student progress, partnerships, and staying informed with communication and the learning environment they will provide. It also makes recommendations for parents and families in ways that they can help assist their students. And there's also a column for student responsibilities, things that we ask students to do each and every day, which include our SOAR behavior expectations, which I am sure all of our students can tell you all about because we've been working really hard on that this first month of school. So some ways that you can help. We are very excited that we can invite our volunteers back to school this year. So you can register to become an approved volunteer, and we have volunteer orientations where you can learn more about ways that you can help engage and participate here at Willow Oak. We also encourage you to join us when we have our family engagement events. We'll be sure to advertise those on our Facebook page as well as Class Dojo and through the Tuesday folders. And then as it comes time to review things every year, we ask that you just help us write and revise our plans so that we can continue to improve. If you want to learn more about our school, there's a wealth of information on our school website. It's also available in our front office, but you can see here many different reports and things that we're required to create are all available there for you on our website. And finally, after you spend some time this evening visiting classrooms, the book fair, maybe joining us in the cafeteria for that orientation for volunteers, we ask that you take a moment to scan this QR code with your phone and provide us with some feedback. So again, thank you for joining us, and we are so thankful that you allow us to take care of your Blue Jays each and every day.